we're here at Milcom 2014 in San Diego. I'm here with Marc Foster, who's Strategic Account Manager for Sealevel Systems. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
A couple questions I'd love to ask you. Your company is participating here at Milcom. Why is a show like this important for you? Why are you here?
Well, it's one opportunity for Sealevel to put our products out in front of our customers.
Yeah.
And it's a great time of year for us to release new products and put our new technology in front of our customers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I always thought that the fact that it's sort of communications based means it's sort of not directly any branch of the military. It's not like Army, Navy, that kind of stuff.
Yes.
Which kind of brings up quite a broad program thing. Is that something you guys value as well? Or?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
We do work with all of the major military prime contractors, and frequently work with the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Army, and the Air Force. So.
Yeah. And one thing interesting with your company is that you're definitely sort of got an overlap into some of the technologies that come from the consumer space, like USB and that type of stuff.
Absolutely.
So one question I have is like, obviously things like iPhones and tablets and smartphones are very popular these days, and I think the Defense Department sort of understood that the warfighter can really make use of those because they're very familiar and that type of thing.
Yes.
But then again, like there's certain downsides of that, but in some ways, are those technologies competing with our market, or is there some way that's actually helpful to us in this sort of embedded, ruggedized systems industry?
Well, I think that really benefits Sealevel just because of our business model.
Yeah.
Our products are designed for military and industrial use, but we have a perfectly horizontal product line. So the same products that we build that are rugged and industrial strength for, say, factory floor automation or a medical or broadcasting application meet the same types of requirements that are needed by the military industry. So it's something that really allows us to compete in many different markets, and particularly provide off-the-shelf products to our military that actually meet their specifications while not being custom.
Yeah, I think there was a time when military decision makers really didn't have to worry about cost because it was something they'll whatever requires they'll use, but now I think cost is really in everyone's mind.
Absolutely.
So, and I think your type of products that probably fits into that.
Yes, absolutely. Particularly with our USB products, we're able to take products that are off the shelf, make very minor modifications to them to make them more militarized, if you will, and they can slide perfectly, into a B-1B bomber.
Yes, right.
And they were used in a maybe a cardiovascular surgery type of application one week, and the next thing you know, you're talking to Boeing about the B-1B Lancer.
Sure, yeah. Well, I have you. Is there any particular new product or technology that you want to tell us about today?
Oh, absolutely. This year we've started working with, I shouldn't say started working, but we've released a new generation of our ACC 188 synchronous serial adapter. It's been out for a number of years now, since 2008 actually, and it was used by SOCOM and a number of different organizations. And earlier this year we began working with the United States Marine Corps to build a third generation model that's basically taking it to the next level, replacing the PVC overmold with a new low smoke, low flammability overmold, more, husky, more rigid cabling.
Right. Sure.
And also the addition of the quick disconnect capability, so that they can use the device with many different radios just by switching the pigtail.
And I think I saw you have this idea where you connect military connectors to USB, for example.
Yes.
Which is sort of an interesting idea as well. Yeah. Right.
So we're able to basically give military tactical data communications to just standard PCs, whether it be a Dell or a Panasonic Toughbook or something of that nature.
Great. Well, thanks a lot, Marc. Appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.